Welcome back, guys. So in this video we are going to discuss about variables. So in Python there are two types of variable. One is instance variable and other one is class variables. So what is the difference between class variables and instance variables, and how we are using and why we are using and where we are using? So let's say I have one class is fruit. This is the class, and I will create one method. What is the difference between method and function? In previous videos you used function, but what is method? So method is if function is attached with a class, that is called method. So we are creating a function in same way like def. The first method of this class is init. So what is init, how it will work, we will see in next video. So here we will talk about instance variable and class variable. This is a method, init method. So this is a starting point, or we can say it is the first method which will execute at the calling of fruit or any class constructor. We will see how it will work. Okay, so what is self? We can say the self is a statement which is used to represent that it is attached with the class. So init, this method is attached to the class fruits. So it will tell that it is attached to the class. Here I will create comma. This is a variable. So this variable is called instance variable, or we can do self dot name. So this is an instance variable and we are assigning the name into it. So at the creation of object, suppose object is banana, which comes in fruits category. Banana is the object and we are creating the object of banana. So this is the fruits. When we are calling the constructor, we can say it is a constructor also. So that time we need to pass one variable. If we will not pass one variable here, if you will run it, then you will get the error. So type error. It takes exactly two arguments. One is given. It is default argument, we can say, but we need to pass one value here. So value is banana. And we will just print in this function also, like print fruit is self dot name. So this is a string. We can add like this also. Okay, so see the output. So output is fruit is banana. So fruits is banana. How it got passed? So you can see here, this is a object banana which is having a value that is banana. This is a value, this is a object. Okay, so it will pass first to the init method. So init method, one variable has defined, or it is a parameter we need to set. Then here you can see self.name. So self.name is a instance variable. So this is an instance, banana is an instance, and this is called instance variable, and it will vary according to the instance. So let's say we have another fruit also, like apple equals fruits, and we will pass here apple. So now you can see the output is fruit is banana. So for banana it passed here banana and it got executed. For apple it passed apple and it got executed. So this is called instance variable, and it will vary for the instances. So it will vary accordingly. So we can say instance variable unique to each instance. So it is a unique for each instance. So what is a class variable? So class variable is shared by all instances. Let's say I have one variable that is cost, and here is a sale is going on, like all the fruits will be at this cost 60 rupees per kg. So what it will do, it is just shared between all the instances. So there are two instances, banana and apple, and it is shared between them. So this is called class variable. And how we can access the class variable? So using instances also you can print it. Let's say cost of banana is banana.cost, and cost of apple is apple.cost. So just run the output is, you can see cost of banana is 60, cost of apple is 60. So it is shared between all the instances. And what are the ways we can access this class variable? So this is called class variable, which is not inside any method. That is called class variable. And if it is inside method, that is called instance variable or local variable. In procedural language also, I told you public variable and local variable. So same here, we are creating a class variable and instance variable. How we can access the class variable? So there are two ways. One is, as I told you, using instance name we can access it, but the other thing is using class name also we can access. So let's see how. So print, so this is a class name, fruits dot cost. It got executed. If I want to print name also, so can I print using class name? If I will do like print name, see the output. Oh, attribute error, class fruits has no attribute name. So using class name we can access the attribute only, which is class variables. Okay, we can't access the instance variables. So instance variables we can access using instance name, using banana, apple. We can access like print bn banana dot, here you can see name, so banana. So instance variable we can access using instance only, and class variable we can access using instance and class name. So in next video we will discuss about methods. So there are three types of methods in Python. So one is the regular method, class method, and static methods, and how we are using and where we are using these things. Thanks for watching.